Hello students. Now let's continue lesson number 1. It's page number 7. Here 4 pictures are given and you have to observe the pictures and write the answers given below to them. Let's discuss what is there in the picture. So let's see first picture. What do you see in the first picture? So there are 2 boys are there. One is wearing red shirt, another is wearing blue shirt. So the boy name is Rahul, who's wearing red shirt, and the boy name is Amit, who's wearing blue shirt. Okay, so both boys are playing in the garden. There is a bench behind Rahul and a plant behind Amit. Okay, so you have to write down this into your textbook. Now let's see the second picture. So what is Amit doing? Amit is the boy who is wearing blue shirt. So what is Amit doing? In the second picture, Amit is helping Rahul to get up, who was fallen down on the plant. And in the fourth picture, Amit is trying to erect the fallen plants. So Amit, who is wearing which shirt? Who's wearing blue shirt. So in second picture you can see, in first picture you can see both the boys are playing in the garden. In second picture you can see that Rahul is fallen down on the plant and Amit is helping him. Then in the third picture you can see Amit saw the fallen plant, and in the fourth picture what did Amit do? Both the children erect the fallen plant. બંને ચિલ્ડ્રન શું કરી રહ્યા છે? ફોલન પ્લાન્ટને જે નીચે પડી ગયો છે પ્લાન્ટ એને ફરી પાછો લગાવી રહ્યા છે. સો અમિત ઇઝ હેલ્પિંગ ટુ ઇરેક્ટ અ ફોલન plant. Now see the third question. What did Rahul do after the plant had been uprooted? Now see the Rahul. What did Rahul do after the plant had been uprooted? Plant પડી ગયો પછી શું કર્યું રાહુલે શું કર્યું એ જોવાનું. In the third picture Rahul is sadly watching the fallen plant. Third picture you can see here, who's wearing red shirt is the boy Rahul. So he's sadly watching the fallen plant. In first picture both the boys are playing. In second picture Rahul fallen on the plant, and in third picture Rahul sadly watching the fallen plant. And in the fourth picture Rahul erected the fallen plant with the help of Amit. So both the boys are trying to erect a fallen plant. Now what should Rahul actually do? What should Rahul actually do? અને શું કરવું જોઈએ actually? Rahul must not play in the garden. Rahul or any children must not play in the garden in a way that any plants get hurted. So garden are public property and hence we must protect them. So we should not play in the garden. You also remember this. Now see the next question. What do you do to look after the garden? So here enough space is not given, so we will see this answer in workbook. So what do you do to look after the garden? Which things you consider proper boat picture? No, this is not answer. So the answer of this question we will see in workbook later. I read now what we have to do to look after the garden. So first thing, I will regularly water the plants. Second, I will clean the garden. Third, I will collect and throw dry leaves in the dustbin, and I will plant trees at proper place. So to look after the garden, I will do all these things. Okay, so here the space is not given. We will see this answer later in workbook. Now you have to listen only. So what will we do? આપણે શું કરી શકીએ? ગાર્ડનને ટેક કેર કરવા માટે આપણે શું કરવાનું છે? Again I will repeat. I will regularly water the plants. I will clean the garden. I will collect and throw dry leaves in the dustbin. I will plant trees at proper place. Okay, so now let's turn the page. On page number 8, here you can see the picture of two pictures. You can see two pictures here. We will discuss them later.